Alright guys, welcome to a new video in sunny UK. Today we are working on the Galant VR4. It's a big day today because I'm getting the interior back in, carpets, doing some cavity waxing while the carpet's out, so we'll get that all done first. Next step is to lay the carpet in and then to get working on putting the dash back in. So it's bright and early this morning. We got the car already pushed out. I'm going to start getting everything ready to start putting it all back in the car. I'm going to get the carpet out so that can sit in the sun for a little bit and just get the plastics to warm up a little bit. Yeah, and then we're going to get cracking. So I'm really excited about today, getting the car back together and finally seeing it as a car. Because right now it's just a stripped shell, interior wise at least. So yeah, let's get back to it, and hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, so we got the car out this morning. It is Tuesday, March 15th. Got the car out this morning and I'm starting to work on the car. I'm doing the chassis wax stuff, which is by Build Hammond. This stuff here, this product, which is best on the market here in the UK. Dynamax X50, which is a extreme duty anti-corrosion wax. Basically it fights corrosion, stops it corroding more, and yeah, it's a cavity wax. So basically I've been spraying it all in the holes here, down these runners, and in the tunnels here. You can see a little bit of residue there, all inside there, and then you see more of it inside the door jambs here. So down in the door jambs, excuse me, in the doors down there, because that's where these cars commonly rust. So I filled that in, and same thing here, filled all these holes, and that hole there, filled it with the cavity wax. Now the steps are start putting the interior back. So I put the trim on, window trim here, which went on pretty easily, thank God. And I've got a new one to put on this door because the factory one was ripped. So I've got a new one to put on. I haven't put it on yet, so I'm gonna put that on next. And then it's the carpets. So got a lot to do today. Then it's the dash. So yeah, got to do today, but it's gonna be fun because we're working on the car. Okay, stay tuned guys. Hope you enjoy it. All right, so I've got the carpet laid out on the floor. That's just basically drying. I've got, went ahead and put the vents back in, screwed those back in. That wiring over there really scares me because it's been over a year since I've took it apart. I did photograph it, but it's still making me a little nervous because I got to put all that back into the dash, the stereo, the gauges, the Evo gauges that I have and stuff. So yeah, so the next step now is to get the carpet back in, and Tiffany's going to be helping me, which is great. So we'll take our time getting it in there, really make sure we protect the paintwork while we're putting it in, and then we'll get the carpet laid in and then get on to the foot old dash. So she's looking nice in the sun now, I must admit. She's looking real nice in the sun. Right, let's keep going. Okay, I'm just handing it to you. That was painless. Okay. Can I come over there to the front? Get it back, get in the back. There we go. Okay. Alright. I just gotta finagle it forward. Alright, get the carpet in now. So we got it all, got the clips in there. Pushed all these down. Kind of folded in, molded in a little bit. So we'll put the put some clips in, because we'll put these in, get those in now. Maybe put these rear trim in. I gotta get the screws, that'll help hold the carpet down. And then we can finagle the dash in. But we'll spend a little time working on this, getting the carpet down and fitted, and then we'll go from there. Okay, looking good though. I got new in-bag Mitsubishi trim. I didn't lose the old one. These are just ones I've bought new, so we can have some new, nice new clips. Nice. That brings a smile to my face. Let's do the other side. Cool. That's the old one. Needs to be wiped out, but okay, cool. That's it. Done.
needs to go in from the other side.
Yeah. No.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
There's more space on the other side.
Okay.
You can clean it before it goes in?
No, I can reach most of it.
Okay.
Okay, so
Just rest it on
lay it there. You got it? Got it? Okay, right.
Oh, there.
Yeah, it is. Okay. Watch the roof. Okay, up, you need to pick your side up. Pick your side up, that's it. Okay, hold on a second, that's it. This is where we gotta finagle it in. But also at the same time feed the wires through.
Oh, no, this is in the centre.
Yeah.
Oh, I should go through there.
Satisfaction of a screw going in. Oh. Okay, we're mounting new door switching. Mine was previous owner had hacked into it for some reason, maybe for an alarm or something, I don't know. But I'm mounting a new one in. It comes with new hardware and a new little grommet. So let's get that fitted. All right, so we've got the dash in now. Just still working on the center console. So steering wheel all over there, glove box. So next it's going to be the center console. Gotta get that mounted up and figure out all that wiring for the gauges and the stereo. And then once that, put the seats back in. The interior trim there, I'm kind of painting it because it's all faded, so not trim over there. Same thing for this side. So still got stuff to do, but getting there. So stoked that the dash is back in. It's looking good. Power, that's good. The battery doesn't feel good. Guys, that concludes that video, that process. I ran out of daylight, to be honest, and I did a little bit more just before it got too dark. Put the center console in, and that's about it. Really did a little bit of wiring with the gauges just to get my head around that, and it seems to be one of them's. I forgot to hook up the boost line to it, so the vacuum line wasn't hooked up. So when it started like that, it ran a little funky because of the vacuum leak. But I've got that. Got to take it back out again because I buttoned it up almost back to where it should be, but I need to take it back apart again because one of the lights at the gauges isn't working, so maybe the bulb's blown, and I need to hook up the vacuum line. And put the driver's seat in just so I can pull the car in and out of the garage. That's about it, really. So it's just sitting now waiting for another good day of weather, which is hopefully coming up in the next Tuesday or Wednesday, I think we'll have some nice warmer weather and sunnier weather. So I'll back the car out again and keep trucking along, getting it back together as best we can. If you made it to the end of the video, guys, really appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video and you want to see more about the Galant. Well, I'm going to put it up anyway, so just hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, I'm really enjoying working on the car now, and I just can't wait to get it back on the road and start driving it again and just seeing it finished and really enjoying it, because it's been a long time coming, this car. Over 10 years I've had it, and probably 13 years actually, and it's been a process the whole way, basically restoring it. So it's coming to an end, as they all say, but things will change. But anyway, so stay tuned for the next video, because it's going to be coming out shortly. We're doing some fun work with the interior, painting the interior, dyeing the interior panels, because some of them are faded, so I'm doing that now. I'm just about to get started on that. So stay tuned to the next video, guys. Thanks again. Take care.